Republic of the Philippines, Negros Oriental State University. Republic Act No. 9299, June 25, 2004. The College of Criminal Justice Education, Department of Criminology, Gulungan City, Negros Oriental 6214, Philippines. Vision, mission, goals, and corporate values of Negros Oriental State University. Vision, a dynamic, competitive, and globally responsive state university. The university shall provide excellent instruction, relevant responsive research, extension services, and quality assured production through competent and highly motivated human capital. Goals. Negros Oriental State University strives to advance. NORSO. A. National Development Effective Partnership. O. Opportunity and access to poor but deserving students. A. Research and teaching function. A. Scholarship and innovation. U. Unity and diversity of culture. Core values. Core values represent what we believe in giving character to our university. These are spirituality, accountability, professionalism, patriotism, harmony, integrity, respect, excellence. Quality policy. Negros Oriental State University commit itself to provide quality instruction, research extension services for reduction as well as to comply with regulatory requirements and continual improvements of its management system. Kabilin. Kinship of mind and heart for development. Adaptability and accountability in the profession. Benchmarking with global standard and practices. Industry and hard work for productivity. Leadership and social transformation. Interdependence with various stakeholders. Nurturing desire for harmony of man and nature. Criminology education, vision, mission, and objectives. Vision. The College of Criminal Justice Education is actively and continually involved in turning out graduates who will lead the nation in addressing the vital problems of crime control in meeting the demand of global competitiveness. Mission. The College of Criminal Justice Education program committed itself to provide community with professional commitment and morally upright graduates who can deliver efficient and effective service in the field of criminology. Objectives. In pursuit of the above stated mission, the Department of Criminology guarantees sequence course of study, which this course of study utilize didactic, instruction, demonstration, laboratory, practice, stimulation, individual learning, on-the-job training. The following are specific objectives of the department. It seeks to provide vast opportunity in instruction and guided experience whereby the students learn the basic knowledge and acquire the skill essential for the practice of criminology. It provides the students with a broad cultural background and an understanding of the constitutional guarantees and due process requirements of law, insofar as they affect total administration of justice. It fosters higher concept of citizenry, accountability, and leadership, and an understanding of one moral and legal responsibilities of his fellow men, community, and his country. It inspires and instills in the students the value of service to humanity. It encourages research and inquiry in the field of criminology and criminal justice. Criminology as a special course. A criminology is any person who is graduate with a degree of criminology who has passed the examination for criminologists and is required as such of board examiners for the Professional Regulation Commission pursuant to Republic Act 6506, Section 23. Define the term criminologist as one who has been engaged in the practice of criminology. It he hold himself out of public capacities as professor, instructor, teacher, criminology in any university, college, college of school duty recognize the government. Uh, Pursuant also to Republic Act 6506, Section 24, all certified criminologists shall be exempted from any entrance qualifying government examination and shall be considered civil service eligible for the following position: uh, fingerprint technician, firearm examiner, question documentation examiners agency, correctional officers, provision officers, crime laboratory technician, law enforcement photographer, lie detection examiner, agent in any law enforcement, security officer, criminal investigation.